In this video, we're going to go ahead and show why learning the dink shot in pickleball can turn an impulsive student that acts like this
I know the answer!
into a patient, strategic thinker that acts like this
Yes, Marcus.
without a single worksheet. Let's go. Now, when a student's first instinct is to hit harder, move faster, and react louder, that's not just a bad shot. That's a pattern. And that pattern follows them off this court. The dink is the shot that punishes aggression. You cannot muscle the ball over the net. You have to choose to go soft. Soft hands let the ball do the work. This isn't about power, it's about precision. We call this the life court transfer. The patience you train here at the net shows up there, in the hallway, in the classroom. In the moment where going hard seems like the only option. Soft hands on the court, soft hands in the classroom. That's the dink. That's the work.